Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall be knowing about the chart of accounts. So let's start. So to go to the chart of accounts, we will click on this menu, go to the finance module, and under common forms you will find chart of accounts. So we will click here. Here you can see the list of accounts that are already created in the system. You can see the code, name and type of this account. You can also create more types, but there are standard types already available. You can also create different accounts as per your requirements. So let's say you want to create an expense related account. So you can select the last account which is there in the expense category. So if we see, this commission charge is the last account in the expense category. So we'll click here, then we'll click on this arrow, then we'll click here and we'll click on duplicate. So here we'll just change this code of this account. So enter this new code. Here we'll give it a name to the account. So let's say we'll create a refreshment account, and all the rest of the setting is same. So now you can click on the save button, and as you can see, this account, refreshment account, has been created. So here these are the standard chart of accounts template, in which there are some of the accounts which are already linked with the accounting, sales and purchase module. For example, let's take this inventory account. So this inventory account is a system created account. So as an initial setup, all the inventory is linked with this account. Then here there is an option of disable manual entry. So if you mark this option as true, you cannot make a journal entry manually for this account. The system will automatically use this account for creation of entries. Now let's say there might be some chart of accounts which are no longer in use. So by marking this deprecated option as true, those accounts would be deprecated and would be no longer in use. Now if you click here, you can see options like partner ledger, general ledger and trial balance. So let's say if you want to see the trial balance of this account, so you just need to click here, enter the start date and the end date and click on print. Similarly, if you want to see the general ledger of this account, so you can click here. Now this partner ledger is applicable only for the receivable and payable accounts, wherein you can view the vendors and customer balances. Similarly, there are other accounts like stock interim account received, stock interim account landed cost, cost price adjustment interim account and so on. So these are the accounts which are used as a standard setup in Axanta ERP.